What's up guys, Thomas here at WFO Rc-Xtreme. Done at the gravel pit with a Traxxas XMAXX. Yep, you heard it. Bent sensors off. But been raining like age here, so it's almost like concrete with just some small, you know, like that is really slippery. The grip is not the best, so just gonna see if we can do any jumping over here. As you can see, they have using the wheel loaders and how you say, excavated all sand. So this is like a cliff, so you can't stand there, it's gonna fall down, but we're gonna jump it. I'm not sure if I'm normally standing here. Wish I had more time with the ramp. Okay. No, I'm not gonna run it. Maybe I should. We're gonna park here and run down. So for the record, so you people know, I'm testing the all new WFO beefy titanium CVDs on the car. The motor is a 950 Leopard 58 110 max 5 Thunderoos 18K. Must be 2 years old. Turnigy graphene 5000 milliamp. Ripley killer in its packs. So, we're gonna hike down and get the body. Forward speed in the body. Yeah. Let's see if we can do any more jumping with it. I hope so. So I want to go for a 3ipple. As you can see, my front tires are ballooning, of course, but I'm also only running 1 mil, and the handling is it's quite good in my opinion. A shaver. I wish I had a skill like my bashing brothers, Eric and Rich. You know, they ramp in their sleep. But sometimes you succeed. such a fun truck to drive. Probably do a triple without hesitating, but I wish it was smooth in the beginning and I could hit the ramp full throttle. Must be a triple. There is no way we can jump up here. Such a great truck. Yeah. Looking. Oh, it's a lot of sand in the rim. Yeah, I think you know, normally always skip the last jump, but and I can tell you one thing, I should have done it. That was right, the cutoff. So, well, that's it guys. Super pleased. The ramp still works. The car works. I'm not gonna bother changing the center shaft. Straight as arrows. Okay, I think we blew a piston. Yeah, definitely. Or it came loose. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and